how to cut with a definite side parting, how to use your scissors like a razor with advanced texturizing techniques to create an amazing graduated bob with lived-in texture. The sectioning pattern runs along the parietal ridge, creating a clean horseshoe shape. From the crown to just behind the ears on both sides, the back zone is separated at the crown, and a separate section is created for the chosen side parting. On the heavy side within the top zone, we take our guide from the back zone. Parallel sections are worked forward towards the front hairline, maintaining even tension and elevation. This connects the top seamlessly into the back while building internal strength and balance through the crown area. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. In the fringe zone, we take pivoting sections that are over-directed back to a stationary guide. This keeps the front length soft and fluid and increases the length, allowing it to frame the face naturally while maintaining connection to the heavier side. A visual check here ensures the shape flows smoothly from the crown to the fringe. Take your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. On the opposite side, the lighter side, we begin with a horizontal section at the lowest point of the section. This section is lifted and disconnected from the underneath to release weight and add movement. Parallel sections continue towards the parting, each one with slightly higher elevation to soften the edge and create light internal texture. This is an advanced disconnection, two distinct shapes on either side of the parting. It's how you cut for a defined, fixed parting when a client requests it. This is how you cut a definite side parting in a bob haircut. In part 2, how to use your scissors like a razor with advanced texturizing techniques to create an amazing graduated bob with lived-in texture. Tap the link to watch now.